Hello, dear students. My name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KVPY 2018 SX stream, that is class 12. In this video, I have taken question from part 1, the very first question of the paper. Yeah, it is related to the topic matrix, and only 2 cross 2 square matrix is given. So let's see what the question is. Suppose capital A is representing the 2 cross 2 matrix ABCD is a real matrix, means all the entries are real with non-zero entries and none of the entry is zero, right? It means that. And AD minus BC is zero. Okay, AD minus BC however is also the determinant of this matrix. So determinant is zero and A square is equal to A, then A plus D equals, means sum of diagonal elements equals. Given options are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see how can we solve it in easier manner. So I'll give you the two different methods to solve this question. There can be more ways, but the two easier way to get the answer. Method 1, let's see what the method 1 here I'm going to explain. I'm just considering the easiest approach, just taking finding A square and so right, A square is equal to A, means A B C D into A B C D is equal to A B C D, right? So when we okay, the left hand side then now B can be written as A square plus BC, then AB plus BD, then second row and first column AC plus CD, then second row and second column, that is BC plus D square, right, is equal to ABCD. Now comparing the elements, however we have to find A plus D, that is coming from the element of first row and second column or the second row and first column. If you take B as common now, so we are getting B into A plus D is equal to B. See this, these two, right? And again, yeah, from here only we can get the value of A plus D. Why? Comparing, I have compared, actually comparing element of first row and second column, or E21 also, from there also you'll get this. But as B is not 0 because non-zero entries, right? So we can say that A plus D has to be 1. B is not 0, we can cancel out B now. So A plus D must be equal to 1. The answer to this question must be 1. 1 must be the answer, right? A plus D has to be 1. So this is very simple idea, very simple method. Just we found A square compared with A, comparing the element of first row and second column, or second row first column, we got A plus D as 1 because no entry was given to be 0. So B was not 0, so A plus D here would be 1. There can be other way also. See method 2, I'm explaining. A square coming directly to A square. A square is equal to A means we can take A common and can write A to A minus I is as O. Now we know from the basic theory that if the product of two square matrices is O, right, then and here A is not O because the entries were not 0. Entries of A were not 0. No, none of the entry is 0 in fact. So we know that if one of them, product of two square matrices is O and one of them is not null, then other has to be what? Other has to be singular, because let, okay, I am assuming let determinant of a minus I is not 0, non-singular. Then what will happen? A minus I inverse will exist. Then post multiplying both sides, post multiplying by a minus I whole inverse will get, okay, we get 2 2h 2 equation 1. This is taken to equation 1, right? Then we are getting a as O. It is impossible. So finally we can say that both has to be singular. I mean, so our assumption that the determinant of a minus I is not 0 is wrong. So determinant of a minus I should be 0 actually. And what is determinant of a minus I? I subtracted to a was a, b, c, d. A minus I means a minus 1, here d minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we'll get a minus 1 into d minus 1 minus bc is 0. If you open it, you'll get ad minus bc taken together, minus a plus d plus 1 equal to 0. But ad minus bc was given to be 0 now in the question. Ad minus bc was given to be 0. However, in the method 1, ad, okay, right, so it will be true if you observe all the different elements other than E12, E11, E22, then you will find that this condition is also fulfilled. So we got the answer by method 1 as a plus d as 1. So from method 2 also, at ad minus bc is 0, so this is cancelled, and here a plus d we got as 1. So again by method 2 we got the same answer, a plus d to be 1. So a plus d should be 1. Finally answer to this question, and is given in option number A. So I hope you understood both the solutions easily, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next question.